Welcome to another presentation from the TIC Academy. Today, we're examining a topic that's more relevant than ever: compliance staffing. In an era where resources are stretched thin and staff shortages are becoming the norm, maintaining compliance is a daunting task. But it's also a crucial one. Compliance isn't just a box to tick. It's the backbone of trust and quality in any organization. It ensures that businesses operate within the law, maintain high standards, and protect their employees and customers. But how do organizations keep up with ever-evolving business needs, rules, and standards when they're grappling with staff shortages? It's a real challenge. Imagine trying to juggle multiple issues related to changing standards, new regulations, internal and external audits, not to forget increasing customer expectations, all while being short-staffed. Balancing compliance elements, which may also include ISO management systems and certifications, while dealing with limited human resources is no small feat. It's a tightrope walk that requires planning, dedication, and project management on an ongoing basis. Compliance isn't just about maintaining a system to avoid fines or penalties either. It's about building trust with your stakeholders, ensuring the quality of products or services, and most importantly, keeping people safe. When compliance is done right, it becomes a competitive advantage. So what does a forward-thinking organization do in this era of resource scarcity? The answer lies in innovation and smarter working. Empowering people, embracing technology, streamlining processes, and fostering a culture of compliance can make a significant difference. As a specialist in compliance training, the TIC Academy has courses covering all of these principles. This era of scarcity and making every penny count also calls for ingenuity and smarter working. It's about finding new ways to operate without overburdening your already stretched team. Automation tools, compliance software, and strong administration processes can also help bridge the gap. And this directional video from the TIC Academy helps provide an overview of some of the problems and solutions facing modern business. It is intended as a guide to help leaders navigate such complex terrain. In it, we'll explore practical strategies that can help you conquer staff shortages while maintaining high compliance standards. From leveraging technology to streamline compliance processes, through to fostering a culture of accountability and continuous improvement, we'll consider it all. These strategies are designed to help you not just survive but thrive in this challenging environment. When everyone in your organization understands the why behind compliance, the how becomes much easier to manage, even when you're short-staffed. Let us then explore further how to turn compliance from a conundrum into a cornerstone of success. When specialist compliance officers such as quality and safety managers are scarce, it can be challenging to ensure that your organization meets all necessary regulations and standards. However, there is a valuable resource right under your nose that you may well be overlooking. Why not look to developing your existing team? After all, your current employees are already familiar with the intricacies of your business, its operations, and its culture. They may just need empowering through focused training and support. Your current employees have also already amassed a wealth of knowledge about your organization. This deep understanding of their job role, company expectations, internal processes and workflows is something that new entrants would need time to learn, so you could shorten this curve. This understanding is invaluable for embedding compliance practices. By carefully leveraging existing staff knowledge and understanding, we call this organizational knowledge, you can effectively integrate compliance into everyday activities. Shift the mindset from hiring a compliance guru to empowering your team as compliance champions. This approach not only reduces costs, but also fosters a culture of shared responsibility. Identify individuals with an aptitude for detail and structured working. These employees are often the ones who naturally gravitate towards meticulous tasks and can be pivotal in maintaining compliance. These individuals can be encouraged and guided to become departmental compliance enablers, capable of delivering under the right support and training. By providing such staff with the necessary training and resources on a planned basis, you can transform them into key players in your compliance strategy. For instance, someone in procurement might manage supplier audit and compliance, ensuring that all vendors meet your company's standards and regulations. While an engineer could handle ISO 9001, EMS or even ESG data aspects, focusing on quality and environmental management systems and ensuring that products or emissions meet regulatory requirements. A company can provide necessary tools and knowledge through targeted training and development programs. These programs should be designed to equip your employees with the skills they need to excel in their new or extended roles. Have you considered bundled training for career path development with the TIC Academy? It is a well-known fact that investing in training boosts morale and loyalty. When employees see that the company is willing to invest in their growth, they are more likely to feel valued and committed. Start by identifying critical compliance areas, safety, quality, legal, financial, employment law, etc., and select a small group for initial training. This pilot group could then serve as the foundation for a broader compliance initiative. As staff gain competence, they can mentor others, creating a ripple effect. This peer-to-peer training model can be highly effective in spreading compliance knowledge throughout the organization. Build a compliance-savvy workforce from the ground up. By leveraging your existing workforce and selecting training courses from the TIC Academy toolbox, you can ultimately create a sustainable and resilient company with a compliance culture that involves everyone. Once you've identified potential within your team, the next step is delegation. Effective delegation in compliance distributes responsibility and fosters engagement. Imagine tasks logically distributed across roles and departments, making the system stronger. This approach ensures compliance is embedded in daily routines. Roles and responsibilities must be clearly defined. Documenting these responsibilities ensures accountability and transparency. Successful delegation empowers employees, boosting their sense of ownership. Compliance becomes something done by them for the collective good. Distributing compliance tasks, perhaps by creating a racy matrix, is only the beginning. The real benefits will be realized over time as empowerment and teamworking gains traction, and the magic is witnessed under a self-perpetuating culture of compliance. It's about everyone believing in the importance of self-discipline, pulling together under self-determined rules and then feeling empowered enough to uphold them. A strong compliance culture transforms adherence to standards into proactive, value-driven behavior. Shared ownership fosters greater awareness and understanding. This opportunity for improved communication and teamwork extends far beyond compliance tasks alone. A deeply embedded compliance culture acts as a powerful internal control mechanism. Let's talk specifics. Consider ISO 9001, for example, the standard for quality management systems, or QMS. This globally recognized standard is designed to help organizations ensure they meet the needs of customers and other stakeholders, while meeting statutory and regulatory requirements related to a product or service. ISO 9001 helps organizations meet customer expectations and regulatory requirements. It provides a framework that guides businesses in setting up a quality management system that is both effective and efficient. In this example, it's about providing a robust structure to ensure consistent quality. This means that every process, from production to customer service, is designed to maintain high standards. A core principle is a strong customer focus, enhancing customer satisfaction. By understanding and meeting customer needs, businesses can build trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success. Leadership commitment is also crucial for ISO 9001 to take root. Leaders must be actively involved in the quality management system, providing direction and support to ensure its success. Similarly, resource management ensures necessary infrastructure is in place for QMS implementation. This includes human resources, materials and equipment, and a suitable work environment, all of which are vital for maintaining quality. The standard emphasizes a process-oriented approach. The plan, do, check, act cycle is a key component, helping organizations to plan their processes, implement them, check their effectiveness, and act on what they have learned. Benefits include improved operational efficiency and better decision-making. By having a clear understanding of processes and their outcomes, businesses can make informed decisions that drive continuous improvement. ISO 9001 can open doors to new markets. Certification is often a requirement for doing business with certain clients or in certain industries, making it a valuable asset for growth. The journey towards certification can also be a powerful team-building exercise. It encourages collaboration and communication, again fostering a culture of quality and continuous improvement. External providers such as the TIC Academy for training, the Risk Organization for registration of personnel, as well as consultants and certification bodies can also assist in navigating this journey. They provide expertise and support, helping businesses to understand requirements and implement the necessary changes to achieve success. Beyond quality, ISO standards also help companies to manage environmental responsibility and occupational health and safety, and many other corporate pressure points. ISO 14001 helps organizations manage environmental aspects. It's about reducing your environmental footprint and driving sustainable practices. ISO 14001 encourages companies to consider a life cycle perspective. Delegating responsibilities for monitoring environmental indicators can foster engagement. ISO 45001 provides a framework for managing occupational health and safety. Prioritizing risks, it emphasizes worker participation and consultation. Empowering team members as safety champions can be effective. Embracing risk-based thinking and continuous improvement is fundamental. Risk-based thinking proactively identifies potential problems and opportunities. It helps prioritize efforts with limited resources. Continuous improvement, driven by the PDCA cycle, is the engine for progress. Empower everyone to identify small, incremental enhancements. Small wins can lead to significant gains in efficiency and compliance. Encourage team members to suggest improvements. This proactive mindset is vital for maintaining compliance standards. Such involvement can turn challenges into opportunities for innovation and refinement. Effective compliance involves engaging with a wide array of stakeholders. Understanding their needs is crucial for building trust. Leveraging relationships can provide valuable support and insights. Engaging with employees is paramount. Clear communication with suppliers can also prevent problems. Open dialogue with customers can also be a source of invaluable feedback and provide support and understanding when supply problems may arise. Digital transformation also impacts compliance management. But technology, when employed effectively, can streamline compliance processes and enhance communication. Digital platforms can also facilitate effective stakeholder engagement. So, embrace digital solutions to help manage compliance effectively. How do you start putting all of this into practice? Let's summarize with a quick recap. Assess your current situation and identify compliance gaps. Prioritize critical compliance areas needing immediate attention. Identify individuals within your team for specific compliance responsibilities. Invest in their development through targeted training. Develop a clear plan for delegating responsibilities. Consider external expertise for initial setup and training. Embed compliance into your organizational DNA. Celebrate successes and learn from setbacks. Make compliance a regular topic of discussion. So there you have it, a way forward. Thank you for watching and listening and for reviewing with us the several options you have to empower your own staff to meet compliance challenges, remaining competitive and successfully growing against a backdrop of reduced talent within the employment market. We hope you enjoyed this presentation video from the TIC Academy. Join us next time for more on training, registration and opportunities in the ISO standards-based compliance sector. Until next time, please like, share and subscribe to the TIC Academy and all of its partner channels. Goodbye for now.